natural everyday makeup with a bit of ink.
Get ready with me as I do my everyday makeup. My everyday makeup is essentially like very natural, very light. So first off, I always do skincare before makeup, or else once you put your makeup on, it doesn't go. First thing first, I use the Mediheal pad. This is my everyday pad. I love it so much. Don't forget the neck and the back of the neck too. So now that is done, I go in with the Road Glazing Milk. I do use this a lot, so you can see like it's already. Put it on your palm, like a few drops, pat it into your skin. And then the next one is just moisturizer. I use this Red Blemish Balm by Dr. G. Now that that is done, I'm on to my sunscreen. This is my holy grail sunscreen. This one, you see? You can see I've been using it. It's already gone. And then the next one, so instead of foundation, I use the tinted sunscreen by Elia. I don't know how to pronounce it. Elia? Do you see, like, it gives me like a very subtle, natural glow, almost like glass skin like. And this is my holy grail concealer. If you're gonna buy one concealer, it has to be this. And this is in the shade beige. So you just put it on your under eye and some hyperpigmentation. I like to use brush first and then go in and buff it with my hand. So my next step is Charlotte Tilbury right here, around here. You can use makeup to enhance your beauty. You don't have to put too much. Now we have to go in with setting powder. I use this Makeup Forever setting powder, your under eye, and everywhere that I put my concealer on. And then afterward, I'm gonna set my blush with this Dior Pink Lilac. Next, brows. I go in with this Hourglass Micro Sculpting shade Ash Brown. Lightly fill in the gaps. And now that I feel like I like my eyebrows already, I will go in with this e.l.f. mascara and brow gels. Now that my brows is done, I will do the wing eyeliner with this too. This one is by brand Clio. This one is by the Heroine Makeup. Basically, my wing is like very natural. And then I'm gonna go in with this Chanel Rouge Allure Velvet number 69. And lastly, I'm gonna go in with Rose Lip Treatment on top. So it's like a layer of protection and give it some shine. And then sometimes I go in with the Charlotte Tilbury spray. If I wanted to stay, I will spray with this setting spray. And this is it. This is my everyday makeup / skincare.